Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to write swapping of two numbers program in Python. For Python, I just you can use any editors, whether you are either you can use default editor or any Python editor you have. And the Jupyter notebook is very interesting and feels some very fancy. So I always prefer Jupyter notebook. So let's get started and see what the and how can write the program of swapping two numbers in Python. So go to new and just create one folder. I'm just using Python 3 and just change your file name, just swapping swapping of numbers. Okay, and this. Okay, and just hit enter and just write some marks down cells and just for heading. And this is a very cool thing in Python. You can write your swapping of two numbers. And either you can use run or shift plus enter. All these are. So this is for by default the cell is in coding mode. That is, you can write code and this is executable code. But if you want to do some headings, then you can write markdown cell. Okay, so if you do like I want to do some next subheading, then so in that case you can use 2 times hash symbol 4 is just like HTML heading. H1 means the higher font size or the larger font size, and if you want to do some lower font size, then you can use S2, S3, S4 like that. In Jupyter notebook you can use multiple times hash symbol and a space, just write using third variables. Okay, and just hit enter or just shift enter. See, here we go, and this is for largest font and this is for the font size is lower than the higher one. So you know the simple statement to print any hello world is in Python is just print and write hello. Okay, and just run here, go to and run. Yeah, here is it resolved. So our purpose of this program is to write how to write swapping of two numbers program. So in Python there is no any data type, so for that purpose just I'm putting the hard coded value of so the variable a has value 10 and variable b has value 5. Okay, and what I have to do is just change the value of a equal to 5 and b equal to 10, means the value should be exchanged. Okay, let's print this value, print and value of a equal to a and value of b equal to the value of b equal to b, and there is no any semicolon or I think you know the basic of Python. Okay, just I'm considering that you have all the basic idea of Python, how to write a program. Just I'm writing in this program just for creating or program for swapping two numbers. And here the value of a equal to 5 and the value of b equal to 5. Our main motto is to change the value of two variables. Okay, so in that case how can we do? Just write the value a equal to a plus b. Oh sorry, just I'm using third variables. Okay, in next video I can show you how to write your swapping of two numbers using only two variables, not extra variables. So c equal to a plus b, and most important thing here is that if you print the value of c, then the print value of c equal to c, the value of c is 15. So how can you find the value of a equal to 5? Just a simple, the value of a in this case is 10 and the value of c is 15. Just normally, how can you do that? Just in this next line you can write a equal to c minus a. Why? Because the value of c equal to 15 and the previous value of a equal to 10, and if you subtract c minus a, the value will be 5. Okay, so this is the value for exchanging the value of a, and here the value of a will be 5. Okay, just write down some for nicely formatted. The value of a after swap equal to, just run, and the value of a after swap equal to 5, and here the value of a equal to 10. So how can you do change the value of b? Similarly, b equal to c, the b of value of b equal to 5 and the value of c equal to 15 in this case. Okay, but I have to perform the operation so that the value of b should be changed. So how the c, always remember that you can subtract the value of c minus any of two variables, either b or a. Just think how can you do. So for b, I can do that. For b, if you subtract 15 or minus any two variables a, b, but see here the value of, if you subtract 15 minus 10, that is value of a, you will get 5. Okay, the in this case we have got that one, means value of a equal to 5. And the next step is to considering value of b to swap. In this case the value of a here is 5, so we can subtract the value of a from c minus a, and see both the case c minus a and c minus a is same, but be careful over that. In this statement, before that the value of a equal to 10, but after execution of this statement the value of a equal to 5. The expression is same, so only the difference is that. Okay, so after executing this line, just I am writing the value of c equal to 15 and value of a equal to 5, and if you perform expression c minus a, the value of a will be the value of expression would be 10. If you print this line, after execution of this line you will get the value of b. The value of b after swap equal to, okay, just go to run and just see the value of b equal to 10. So just print one more line, or just write headings 3 times. Value of a, the value of a and b after swapping, and just select the markdown cell and just run this code. So just print this line. Value of a value of b, sorry, b. Just run that, and here is the result. The value of a equal to 5 and the value of b equal to 7. So this is a very simple program of swapping two numbers in Python, and there is lots of more thing in this video. Just I'm discuss the swapping of two number. If you have any doubt, please leave a comment below, or if you think this video is interesting for you and you learn something, then you don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon or like my video. So thanks for watching. Let's see you in the next video.